Good morning, dear students. This is computer class for class 10, and today we will discuss some question answers from chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is Introduction to Java. So we will discuss some question answers based on increment and decrement operators. Here we will use both type of operators, prefix operator and postfix operator. It means prefix and postfix increment operator and prefix and postfix decrement operators. And we will try to find out the solution. Now the first question is, what is the value of x1 if x is equals to 5? Here we have to find out the value of a variable x1 if x is given 5. And what is the expression? X1 is equals to plus plus x. Plus plus x means this is the increment operator. And which type of increment operator? Prefix. Because plus plus sign we are using here, increment sign we are using here before the variable. So plus plus x minus x plus plus. This minus means subtraction. X plus plus means this is the also the increment operator, but it is of postfix type. This is postfix operator. Then plus means addition sign. Then minus x. Minus means this is decrement operator, but this is which type of decrement operator? Prefix. Okay, so complete expression is x1 is equals to plus plus x minus x plus plus minus x. Now we will try to find out the solution. The original value of x is 5, but here we are using here prefix operator. So according to the rule of prefix operator, first we will increment the value and then we will use it. So first, according to the rule of prefix operator, it will increment its value by 1. So now the original value of x is 5. So first it will increment by 1, then it become x plus 1. It means it will be 6. Okay. Then minus sign as it is we will write. Then next is x plus plus. Here it is postfix operator. Postfix means it will increase the value, but first it will use the same value, previous value. So what was the previous value? 6. Now the value of x is 6. Okay. So first it will use, then it will increase by 1. So first it will use its value of x means 6, and then it will increase. So after increment it will be x will be 7. Okay, but here we will use only the last value, that is 6. Okay, then plus sign as it is we will write, and then minus x. Now what is the value of x? Now the value of x after this increment, it is 7. But here we are using prefix operator. Prefix means first it will decrease the value by 1. What is the current value of x? 7. So now first it will decrease the value, 7 minus 1, 6, and then it will use. So 7 minus 1, it becomes 6, and 6 will be used in this expression. So the finally we can say that 6 minus 6 plus 6. In this way the final value of x will be 6 minus 6 will be cancelled, or what will be left? 6. Okay, so final value of x is 6. Now the next question, this is also based on the prefix and postfix operator, increment and decrement. This is the question, give the output of the following expression. And what is the expression? A plus equal to, this is the, you know that this is the as a shortcut operator in which we will use the original value. We will add here in complete expression, we will add here the original value of A. Okay, means what will be the final value of this complete expression in which we will add the original value of A. And what is the original value of A? 7. Initially the value of A is 7. Okay. So we can write like this. A plus equal to, how can we write? A equal to this A plus. Okay. And then complete. A plus plus, then this plus operator, then this plus plus, then A, then plus sign means addition, then minus minus A, then this plus sign, and then A minus minus. Okay. Now we will try to find out its final value. Okay, first of all A. What is the original value of A? 7. Okay. Then plus sign as it is. Now A plus plus. This is increment operator, but this is postfix. So postfix operator, first it will use its original value. First it will use its value. What is its original value? 7. So first it will use the 7 only, and then it will increase. After increment it will be 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. Then plus. This is addition sign. Then plus plus A. Plus plus A means now first it will increment the value of A by 1. What is the value of A? After this increment it become now 8. So 8 and plus 1 it become 9. Okay. 9 it will use the value 9, not the 8. Okay. So plus plus A, it means 8 plus 1, 9. Then plus sign, this plus sign, and then minus minus A. It means it is decrement operator, and this is also prefix. So first it will decrease the value of A by 1. And what is the value of A now? 9. So 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. So it will use the value 8 and then plus addition. Now A minus minus. What is A minus minus? Means first it will use its original value. And what was the original value? After the decrement, now A become 8. So it will use only 8 and then it will decrease. Okay. But after decrement, further we don't have to use the value of A. So but now it become 7, but here we will use only 8. Means what was its previous value it will use, and then it will decrease. Now we will add these all values, 7 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8. So finally it become 39. So it is now A is equals to 39. Okay. Now let's see one more example. If int y, there is a variable y, it is of integer type and its value is 10. Then we have to find out the value of z. This is also of integer type, and the expression is given z is equals to plus plus y in the bracket plus plus y multiply, then again one more bracket y plus plus, and this is addition sign plus plus 5. Okay, and now we will close both the brackets. Okay. So now I am writing here the expression z is equals to plus plus y into y plus 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 5, and now both the brackets will be closed. Okay, so now first you see here, this is plus plus y. Plus plus y means this is the prefix increment operator. Prefix operator will first increase the value of y. And what is the original value of y? 10. So first it will increase, and that increased value it will use in the expression. So y become now y plus 1. Y plus 1 means 10 plus 1. Now it will use this increased value 11. Okay. As it is, we will write this multiplication sign. Then y plus plus, this is also increment operator but postfix. So first it will use that last value of y. What was the last value of y? 11. Okay, so it will use 11 only for y and then it will increase. So it will use only the last value of y, 11. Now it become 11 plus 1, 12. But here it will use only 11 plus 5. Okay. So you know that first of all we will solve the inner bracket. Okay. First we will solve the inner bracket, because my increment and decrement operators are over. So now next preference we will give to bracket. 11 plus 1, it become now 16. So finally it become 11 into 16, and 11 into 16, 176. So final value of 6, what is the output of this expression? Z is equals to 176. Okay. Next question. Give the output of the following method. Here we are using which method? System.out.println. So we have to give here the output of these two methods. First of all here, and second one is here. Okay. So what is given? There is a variable a. It is of integer type and its value is 5. Now we will use here one increment operator, postfix type increment operator. So I have written here a plus plus. Of course it will increase the value and it become 5 plus 1, 6. So there is no expression here, no? So it will simply increase. 5 plus 1, 6. So after using this method, system.out.println, and what we are printing here? The value of a. So what will be the value of a after this? A plus plus, it become now 6. So first answer, when we will use this first method, it will be 6. Okay. Now next step, a minus equal to. A minus equal to means this is the shorthand operator. Okay. And equal to, a minus equal to a minus minus in the bracket and minus 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 a. Okay. This is postfix decrement operator and this is prefix decrement operator. So how can we solve? Solution I have written here in the form of comment. So first of all, about this shortcut assignment method. So we can write here a minus equal to, how can we write? A equal to, and from overall expression we can subtract it from a minus. From a we will subtract this overall, okay, expression. So how can we write? A equal to a minus, and then same as it is what was written here, what was given in the expression, a minus 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 a. This whole I kept in the bracket because from this whole, okay, this complete expression we have to subtract from this a, okay, according to this shortcut method, shortcut operator. Okay. Now next we will solve a minus a equal to, what is the original value of a? Original value of now a is 6, because this using this increment operator, okay, it become now 6 not 5, remember that, okay, because here it changed the value of a. 5 plus 1, 6. So now here is 6 minus, now it is postfix decrement operator, so it will use, what it will use? First it will use the previous value of 6 and then it will decrease. So previous value of 6 is, sorry, previous value of a is 6, okay, and then minus sign. Now after the decrement of a, 6 minus 1, it become 5. First it will use 6, but it will, after that it will decrease by 1. So 6 minus 1, 5. And then here we are using here prefix decrement operator. So now the value of a is 5, but first it will decrease the value by 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. So that 4 it will use in the expression. Okay. So we will write now 6 minus, and then in the bracket, this small bracket will remove. So it become now, after this, a minus minus 6 and minus minus a 4. Okay. 6 minus 4, 2. So now finally a is equals to 6 minus 2, and the answer will be, after this second method system.out.println, we have to print here the value of a. It become now 4. A is equals to 4. Okay. Now we will see one more. What will be the result stored in x after evaluating the following expression? Here we have taken one variable x. It is of integer type and its value is 4. Again we will use here one shortcut operator, assignment operator. X plus equal to x plus 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 x plus x. So now I think you understood how can we use it. X plus equal to, it means x equal to and then x plus. Okay. From in this complete expression we will add the original value of x. So x plus this complete expression, x plus 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 x plus x. Now x is equals to, the original value of x is 4. Okay, it is given x is 4, so we will use here 4. Then plus sign, then it is given increment operator, but it is postfix. So first we will use here in the expression, first we will use the value and then we will increase. So first we will use the value of x, that is 4, and then it will increase. So now x become 5. After using the value 4, it will increase by 1, 5. Then plus, now prefix operator, plus plus x. Plus plus x means now the value of x is 5, but first it will increase by 1, and that incremented value it will use here. So 5 plus 1, it will be 6. Then plus, and what is the value of x now? 6. So finally we can write here 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6, then it become 20. So final value of x is 20. So these all questions are also given in your book. Which questions are left based on increment and decrement operator, you will try to solve in your home in the copy and practice such type of questions, because these are very important questions from your examination point of view. Okay, next day we will discuss some more question answers. Till that time, have a great day. Thank you.